We all love wearing jewelry, and we all love to quill, so we decided to make some quilled bangles. Here's how. These bangles are super easy to make and don't take more than half an hour to make a pair.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts. To make these easy quilled bangles, you will need quilling paper or printer paper, scissors or a paper trimmer, any kind of glue. We use Tacky Glue, a cylinder to use as a mold. We used a water bottle.
We started off by cutting our paper into strips. We cut them according to how wide we wanted our bracelet to be. And these are all the strips we got from one sheet of printer paper. We took a strip of paper and wrapped it around the diameter of the cylindrical object. Since it was too small, we attached it to another strip of paper using some glue. Then we continued wrapping the strips of paper around the water bottle. Since we are making a bangle and it has to be firm, it's essential to put glue on every layer. After about 8 layers, we took it off the mold and realized that the bangle wasn't firm enough, so we put it back on and continued to add layers. This is an estimate, but we must have added about 25 layers before the bangle was firm enough to our liking. And this is what the bangle looks like after about 25 layers. There were a few air bubbles, so we put it back onto the mold and rolled it like you would a rolling pin to get all the air bubbles out. Once you've got all the air bubbles out, set them off to dry. And these are some of the bangles we made about 2 years ago. We've worn them several times, and as you can see, they still offer a little bit of resistance. So as long as you don't wear these bangles with any other heavy ones, they'll last for a long time. Before you start wearing your bangle, we have to add glue to the sides of the bangle. This way, even if you miss some spots when you were gluing, this will create a seal and make the bangle much more firm. And these are the finished bangles. We decided to keep our bangles simple, but you could definitely decorate yours with whatever you want.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!